Fill in the password, then click Login. Click Me, then choose Member Management. Then click the plus icon to add new role. Choose the role. Different roles have different capabilities and permissions in your organization. Choose the correct one and click Save. Add the name and email of the role. Click Linked Plants and select the specified plant for the role. Once the selection is complete, click OK. Go back to the parent menu, then check the regulations at the bottom of the screen. Finally, click Invite to complete the invitation. New users can log in by receiving a randomized verification code.